Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 3 very ripe bananas, 1/2 cup of softened butter, and 2 large eggs. Don't forget 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a small pinch of salt. Finally, measure out 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Having everything ready makes the process smooth. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, mash your 3 ripe bananas until they are mostly smooth with a few small lumps for texture. Next, add the softened 1/2 cup of butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar to the mashed bananas. Stir these together until creamy. Then, beat in the 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, ensuring everything is thoroughly combined and smooth. It's time to bring in the dry ingredients. In a separate medium bowl, whisk together your 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. This ensures even distribution. Now, gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients. Mix gently until just combined. Overmixing can lead to a tough bread, and we want it perfectly tender. Finally, it's time to bake. Pour your delicious batter into a greased 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. Place it in your preheated oven and bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's ready when a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade, easy banana bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.